Hi y'all, hi y'all. Welcome back to my channel. So I came here to say that I'm gonna revamp my channel. I've kind of come to the end of talking about my condition. I think I've said everything that I can say or know what else to say. So I'm gonna pivot and start posting some of my some sewing tutorials. I am a seamstress. I do make clothes, so I'm going to start sewing some of those videos, uploading some of those videos. So today I'm going to talk about my sewing machine and show like some of the sewing feet that came with the machine. I have different videos of how to clean your machine, my sewing box, what's in it with my sewing box. I'll do that in another video. But for today, I'm gonna show my sewing machine and talk about, what it entails. So this is my machine. It is a Brother CE 8080. I bought it in 2016. It came with 9 feet there. This is a buttonhole foot, 1-step buttonhole foot. This is a zipper foot. This is a extra spool pin if you're doing like a double needle and you need for the second thread. This is a satin foot, satin stitch foot. Satin stitch foot is what is used for embroidery stitches. This one is this one? I think a edge foot. And this is a universal foot, so you can use any stitch with these. I'll do another video of what each foot does. This one is a button foot, so when you put your button on, you use this foot to secure the button onto the fabric. And then this is the screwdriver that you use for those 2 screws. These 2 screws, you use this to open it, to get in it, so you have to clean it. So you can see all the stitches that comes with this machine. Comes with 76 stitches. And then you just you change your stitches by just doing that. As you can see, and number 12 stitch is this one. So yeah. So I'll come back and on another video and show what these sewing feet does. I also have a box with other sewing feet that bought those extra, and then I can upload some other stuff that I've made, how to make this, how to make that. So yeah. So thank you, and for the next, see you next time.